Let's start with a fact that might surprise you. Our galaxy, the dazzling Milky Way, is not a fixed entity in the vast expanse of the universe. Quite the contrary. It's in constant motion, swirling and spiraling in a cosmic dance that has been ongoing for nearly 14 billion years. We're not just floating in an infinite expanse of blackness. We're part of a galactic ballet spinning and twirling at an astonishing speed of approximately 550,000 miles per hour. But here's where the plot thickens. The Milky Way isn't dancing solo. It has a partner, a galaxy we've long admired for its beauty and magnitude, the Andromeda Galaxy. Andromeda, our closest spiral galaxy neighbor, is located about 2.5 million light-years away. It's a behemoth, larger than our Milky Way, and it's moving towards us. Yes, you heard that right. The Milky Way and Andromeda are on a collision course, drawn together by the irresistible pull of gravity. This isn't a quick dash towards each other, though. It's a slow-motion attraction that will culminate in an astronomical ballet of unimaginable scale billions of years from now. These two galaxies, both majestic and immense, are destined to meet. Their dance will not be a delicate waltz, but a cosmic collision, emerging of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. Although it sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, it's a reality that's been confirmed by numerous observations and calculations. But don't worry, this event won't happen anytime soon. We're talking about a timeline that stretches billions of years into the future. So for now, we can continue to admire the beauty of our galaxy and its countless stars. Indeed, the Milky Way's days of tranquility are numbered. But until that day arrives, we'll continue to explore, learn, and marvel at the mysteries of the universe. Galaxies, like celestial ballerinas, whirl and twirl in the vast cosmic stage, but what happens when they get too close? Well, it's a bit like a dance, but the nature of this dance is dictated by something we're all too familiar with: gravity. You see, gravity is the invisible string that keeps these celestial dancers tethered to the cosmic stage. It's the same force that keeps our feet firmly planted on Earth, and the Earth in its orbit around the Sun. But when it comes to galaxies, they're not just spinning in place, they're also moving through space. And sometimes their paths cross. When galaxies get too close, gravity pulls them together, and this is where the dance gets really interesting. This dance is not a waltz or a tango, but something more akin to a mosh pit at a rock concert. It's a rough and tumble affair that astronomers refer to as galactic cannibalism. This term might sound a bit gruesome, but it's actually quite accurate. The larger galaxy, with its stronger gravitational pull, slowly devours the smaller one, absorbing its stars, gas, and dust. Galaxy collisions, while violent, are a common occurrence in the universe. They're part of the natural cycle of galaxy evolution. These collisions can trigger new star formation and reshape the structure of the galaxies involved. So in a sense, galaxies are constantly in motion, always changing, always evolving. They're not static objects, but dynamic entities, each with their own unique dance in the grand cosmic ballet. But what about our home galaxy, the Milky Way? Well, it turns out we're not immune to these cosmic encounters either. We're part of this grand dance too. And our dance partner? None other than our galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. In fact, our very own Milky Way is set for a major dance with the Andromeda Galaxy. Astronomers predict that in about 4 billion years, the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide, but what does this mean? Let's delve into the cosmic dance that's set to unfold. 4 billion years may seem like an eternity, but in the grand scheme of the universe, it's just around the corner. As we inch closer to this cosmic event, the galaxies will start to feel the gravitational pull of each other. This is where the first signs of the impending collision become apparent. As these two galaxies approach each other, their gravitational forces will begin to distort their once serene shapes. Imagine a still pond disturbed by a thrown stone, creating ripples that disrupt the tranquil surface. It's a similar scenario, but on a cosmic scale, with galaxies instead of water and gravitational forces instead of stones. This distortion is not a one-time event, but a process that unfolds over hundreds of millions of years. The galaxies would stretch and warp, morphing into unrecognizable forms before the actual collision takes place. It's a slow dance, choreographed by gravity, played out on a universal stage. But what happens to the stars within these galaxies? Picture a bustling city during rush hour, with everyone moving in different directions, yet somehow avoiding collision. Similarly, the stars within these galaxies will be thrown into different orbits, but the chances of actual star collisions are minuscule. This is due to the vast distances between stars, even within a galaxy. However, this cosmic reshuffling will have a profound impact on the night sky. Imagine looking up and seeing not just one, but two galactic cores, or a sky filled with new constellations, a sight only possible during this grand cosmic event. So, while the collision of the Milky Way and Andromeda might sound catastrophic, it's more of a galactic makeover. It's a testament to the ever-changing nature of the universe, a reminder that nothing, not even galaxies, are immune to change. The night sky, as we know it, will be drastically changed. What will be the aftermath of this cosmic collision? In the wake of this celestial clash, something fascinating will occur. Instead of a chaotic disaster, our Milky Way and Andromeda will gradually merge, forging a bigger, more expansive galaxy. This union, born from billions of years of gravitational pull, will be a slow dance unfolding over eons. Now you might be wondering what this means for our solar system. With stars scattered light years apart, the chances of direct collisions are remarkably low. Yes, we'll be in a new galactic neighborhood, but our cozy corner of the universe, our solar system, is likely to remain intact. But it's not just about our physical survival. What about the view? Imagine gazing up at a sky with a new stellar landscape. The night sky as we know it would be utterly transformed, with a denser blanket of stars illuminating the darkness. Imagine the constellations we could chart, the new celestial stories we could tell. And what of life on Earth? Well, by the time this galactic merger takes place, our sun will have swelled into a red giant, its outer layers possibly reaching as far as Earth's current orbit. Life as we know it may have long ceased to exist, with Earth becoming a barren, inhospitable world. So, while the collision and merger of galaxies might seem like a cataclysmic event, it's important to remember that it's all part of the natural cycle of the universe. Galaxies form, they evolve, and sometimes they come together in a grand cosmic ballet. This is the universe in motion, a testament to the constant flux and adaptation that defines existence on the grandest scale. We're not just observers in this cosmic dance, but participants, part of a universe that's always changing, always evolving. While this event seems cataclysmic, it's all part of the natural evolution of the universe. So, what does the future hold for our galaxy? As we've journeyed through the cosmic dance of galaxies, it's clear that our Milky Way is not immune to the grand ballet of the cosmos. In about 4 to 5 billion years, it's set to collide with Andromeda, our galactic neighbor. But don't fret, this isn't a cataclysm of chaos as one might imagine. It's a graceful, slow-motion merger, a testament to the natural rhythms of the universe. Remember, this event is billions of years in the future. The universe is ever-changing, ever-evolving, and this collision is just another step in that grand journey. Our home galaxy, once a solitary spiral, will transform into something new, something different, but still intrinsically part of this vast cosmic web we call the universe.